Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story starts with a simple question. What would you do if you had an important day tomorrow, but your neighbor kept playing loud music late at night? Emma only slept a few hours. She has a big presentation in the morning. But when she finally decides to knock on her neighbor's door, something unexpected happens. Don't worry, the English is slow, clear, and beginner-friendly. While you listen, try to answer this question. What time does Emma need to wake up the next morning? The answer is in the story. And stay until the end because we'll also review a few useful English expressions from today's conversation. Now, let's begin.
Hey, Emma.
Hi, Lucas.
You look tired today.
Yeah, I am.
Long day?
Not really.
Then what happened?
I barely slept last night.
Really?
Yeah, I only slept for a few hours.
That's not much sleep.
I know.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm okay, just very tired.
Did something wake you up?
The music next door.
Again?
Yeah, it happened again.
Was it loud?
Very loud.
What time was it?
Around 11 at first.
That's late.
It got louder after midnight.
Wow.
I tried to ignore it.
Did that help?
Not at all.
That's frustrating.
It really is.
Is this a new neighbor?
I think so.
You haven't met him?
No, not yet.
Maybe he doesn't know.
Maybe.
Some apartment walls are thin.
That's true.
Have you talked to him before?
No.
Why not?
I wasn't sure what to say.
That's understandable.
I don't want to start a problem.
You probably won't.
I hope not.
Is tonight important?
Very important.
Why?
I have a big presentation tomorrow morning.
Ah, now I understand.
I've been working on it all week.
You worked hard on it.
I really did.
Then you need a good night's sleep.
Exactly.
What time do you need to be at work?
Pretty early.
That makes it even harder.
Yeah, I need some sleep tonight.
Well, let's think about that.
I'd like that.
Don't worry yet.
I'm trying not to.
We'll figure something out.
Thanks, Lucas.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Are you feeling any better now?
A little. Coffee helps.
Just a little?
Yeah, I'm still tired.
I can tell.
I really need sleep tonight.
Because of the presentation?
Exactly.
Tell me about it.
I've been preparing all week.
All week?
Every day after work.
That's a lot of effort.
It is important to me.
Are you presenting to your team?
To my team and my manager.
No wonder you're worried.
I don't want to make mistakes.
Being tired makes that harder.
That's what I'm afraid of.
What time do you have to wake up tomorrow?
Around 6.
That's early.
Very early for me.
So tonight has to be different.
Yes, it really does.
Have you thought about what to do?
A few things.
Like what?
I could leave a note.
That's one option.
Or maybe send a message somehow.
Do you have his number?
No.
Then that may be difficult.
True.
What about talking to him?
I thought about that too.
How do you feel about that?
Honestly, a little uncomfortable.
Why?
We have never met.
That's fair.
I don't know what he's like.
He might be friendly.
Maybe.
He might not even know the music is loud.
That's possible.
Most people aren't trying to bother anyone.
I guess that's true.
If it were me, I'd rather know.
Really?
Sure,
Why?
because I wouldn't want to disturb my neighbors.
That's a good point.
A friendly conversation can solve a lot.
Better than an angry note?
Much better.
I wasn't planning to leave an angry note.
I know.
Maybe just a short one?
Even then, people can misunderstand notes.
That's true.
A conversation feels more personal,
It does.
and you can explain your situation.
The presentation.
Exactly.
And the early morning.
Right.
So you think I should talk to him?
I do.
Face to face?
Face to face.
I think you're right.
Good.
I just need to figure out what to say.
We can work on that.
Thanks.
Anytime.
I want to handle this the right way.
And I think you will. Ready to go home?
Almost.
Still thinking about your neighbor?
A little too much, probably.
That's normal.
I keep replaying the conversation in my head.
What part worries you?
I don't want to sound rude.
That's a good start.
How is that a good start?
Because you're already thinking about the other person.
I guess so.
Most people respond well to kindness.
I hope you're right.
Let's keep it simple.
Okay.
What will you say first?
Maybe your music is too loud?
That's honest.
But
It sounds a little direct.
yeah, it does.
What comes before that?
Greeting?
Exactly.
Something like, hi?
Perfect.
That's easy enough.
Then introduce yourself.
Right.
What could you say?
Hi, I live next door.
Great.
Then what?
Ask if they have a moment.
Could we talk for a moment?
Exactly.
That sounds polite.
It is.
Then I explain the problem?
Yes, but keep it calm.
How about, I couldn't sleep last night?
That's good.
Better than, your music kept me awake?
A little softer.
I see.
You're describing your experience.
Not accusing someone.
Exactly.
That makes sense.
Then explain why it matters.
I have to wake up early tomorrow.
Perfect.
I've said that a lot today.
Because it's true.
Fair point.
Then comes the request.
The important part.
Right.
Would you mind turning it down?
Very good.
Not too direct?
Not at all.
What if he gets upset?
He might not.
But what if he does?
Then stay calm.
Easier said than done.
True.
I just want a quiet night.
And that's a reasonable request.
You really think so?
Absolutely.
What if he says no?
Then you'll deal with that later.
One step at a time?
One step at a time.
I like that.
Besides, you're assuming the worst.
Maybe I am.
You haven't even met him yet.
That's true.
He could be a nice guy.
Maybe.
And maybe he's listening to loud music right now without realizing it.
That's possible.
So what's the plan?
Go home.
Then,
If the music starts again, I'll talk to him.
face to face?
Face to face.
Good.
Hi, I live next door.
Nice.
Could we talk for a moment?
Keep going.
I have to wake up early tomorrow.
And then?
Would you mind turning it down?
Sounds great to me.
I think I'm ready.
I think you are too.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime.
Okay, time to go home.
Good luck tonight.
Thanks. I'll let you know what happens tomorrow.
Hi there.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Yes.
Sure.
Hi, I live next door.
Oh, hi.
I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you too.
Sorry, have we met before?
No, I don't think so.
I just moved in recently.
I thought you might be new.
Yeah, I've only been here for about 2 weeks.
Welcome to the building.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
Could we talk for a moment?
Of course.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
That's good.
I just wanted to mention something.
Sure.
I couldn't sleep very well last night.
Oh?
I heard music pretty late.
Really?
Yeah,
From my apartment?
I think so.
Wow.
The sound comes through the wall quite clearly.
Seriously?
Yeah,
I had no idea.
I figured you might not know.
Honestly, I didn't.
That's why I wanted to talk to you.
I'm glad you did.
Really?
Sure, I'd rather know if there's a problem.
That's good to hear.
I thought the walls were thicker.
Not in this building.
Apparently not.
It surprised me when I first moved here, too.
Good to know.
Yeah,
Was the music loud tonight, too?
a little.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Actually, I just bought new speakers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're my first good speakers.
You must be excited about them.
I am.
That makes sense.
I've been testing them all week.
That explains a lot.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Now I feel bad.
Please don't.
I honestly didn't realize anyone could hear it.
I believe you.
Thanks.
No problem.
I'm glad you came over instead of getting angry.
I wasn't trying to start a fight.
That's good.
I just wanted to talk.
And I'm glad you did.
Thanks for listening.
Of course.
I wasn't sure how this conversation would go.
Really?
Yeah,
Well, so far it's going pretty well.
I think so too.
Good.
Thanks again for taking a minute to talk.
Anytime, Emma.
I appreciate it.
No problem at all. So, was last night the only problem?
Not exactly.
It's happened more than once?
A few times this week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
I'm really sorry about that.
thanks.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
Why is tonight so important?
I have to wake up early tomorrow.
For work.
Yes.
What time do you get up?
Around 6.
6 in the morning?
That's right.
That's pretty early.
It is for me.
What's happening at work?
I have a big presentation tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you presenting to a lot of people?
More people than usual.
That sounds stressful.
A little.
Have you been preparing for a long time?
All week.
Then I definitely understand.
Thanks.
I wouldn't want to be tired for that either.
Exactly.
I think I'd be nervous.
I am a little nervous.
That's normal.
I hope so.
So, what would help?
Honestly,
Sure.
a quieter night.
Fair enough.
Would you mind keeping the noise down tonight?
Not at all.
Really?
Of course.
Thank you.
What time do you usually go to sleep?
Around 10:30.
Okay.
After 10 is usually when it gets difficult.
Because that's when the music starts?
Usually, yes.
Got it.
I don't mind music during the day.
That's good to know.
I just need some quiet at night.
That sounds completely reasonable.
Thanks.
I'll keep it down after 10.
I appreciate that.
Actually, I have headphones too.
Oh, nice.
I can use them later at night.
That would help a lot.
Problem solved.
Hopefully.
No, really.
You sound confident.
Because it's an easy fix.
That's good.
I wish you had told me sooner.
I thought about it.
What stopped you?
I didn't know how you'd react.
That's fair.
We were strangers.
Not anymore.
I guess not.
Now we're neighbors who have actually talked.
That's true.
And honestly, I'd rather have a conversation than get a complaint from the building manager.
I can understand that.
Communication is easier.
Most of the time, yes.
Well, thank you for coming over.
Thank you for listening.
No problem.
I was worried for nothing.
Maybe just a little.
Maybe.
Good luck with your presentation tomorrow.
Thanks.
I hope it goes well.
Me too.
And don't worry about the music.
I won't.
It'll be quiet tonight.
That's great to hear.
Get some sleep.
I plan to.
Good night, Emma.
Good night, Jake.
And thanks again.
I really appreciate it.
Good morning, Emma.
Morning, Lucas.
You look different today.
Different?
Much more awake.
That's because I actually slept.
Really?
Really.
That's great.
It feels great, too.
So what happened last night?
It went much better than I expected.
Tell me everything.
Okay.
Start from the beginning.
First, I went home after work.
Right?
Then I heard the music again.
Was it loud?
A little.
And then?
Then I knocked on his door.
Brave move.
I was a little nervous.
That's normal.
but he was very friendly.
That's good.
His name is Jake.
Nice.
He recently moved into the building.
So he was new.
Exactly.
What did you say?
I said, "Hi, I live next door."
Just like we practiced.
Pretty much.
Then what?
Then I asked, "Could we talk for a moment?"
Nice and simple.
That's what I wanted.
Did he listen?
Yes, right away.
That's great.
After that, I explained the problem.
What did you tell him?
I told him I couldn't sleep well.
Makes sense.
Then I said I had to wake up early.
For the presentation.
Exactly.
How did he react?
He apologized immediately.
Really?
Yeah.
That's nice.
He said he didn't realize the walls were so thin.
That's what I suspected.
You were right.
Did you ask him to lower the volume?
Yes.
What did you say?
I said, "Would you mind keeping the noise down?"
Perfect.
He said yes right away.
That's excellent.
He even offered to use headphones.
Wow.
I wasn't expecting that.
Sounds like a good neighbor.
I think he is.
So it was quiet last night.
Very quiet.
And you slept well?
The best sleep I've had all week.
That's exactly what you needed.
It really was.
Now tell me about the presentation.
It went well.
Just well?
Actually, it went really well.
That's what I like to hear.
I felt focused.
Because you got enough sleep.
Definitely.
So what did you learn from all this?
Good question.
I'm listening.
First, don't assume the worst.
That's a good one.
Then, talk to people directly.
I agree.
After that, listen to their side too.
Very smart.
Most problems are easier when people talk.
That's often true.
I spent days worrying.
And the conversation only took a few minutes.
Exactly.
Funny how that works.
Yeah,
Well, I'm glad everything worked out.
me too.
And I'm glad you got some sleep.
Me too.
What are your plans tonight?
Honestly,
Yeah,
I'm going home early and getting another good night's sleep.
sounds like a perfect plan.
I think so too.
You earned it.
Thanks, Lucas.
Anytime.
And thanks for your advice yesterday.
Happy to help.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Things worked out better than I expected.
Sometimes they do.
And that's a nice feeling.
Great job listening all the way to the end. Now, let's review a few useful English expressions from today's story. The first expression is work out. Lucas said, "I'm glad everything worked out." Work out means a situation ends well or is solved successfully. Example from the story. Emma talked to Jake, the noise problem was solved, and everything worked out. Our second expression is one step at a time. Lucas told Emma, "One step at a time." We use this expression when a problem feels big and we want to focus on one small action first. In the story, Emma stopped worrying about every possible problem and focused on one thing first, talking to her neighbor. And one more youthful expression, keep it down. Jake agreed to keep it down after 10 o'clock. Keep it down means to be quieter and make less noise. Now, let's go back to our listening question. What time did Emma need to wake up the next morning? Write your answer in the comments below. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember what you heard. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, easy, and relaxing English conversations. And if you'd like to support more stories like this, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening today. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next English Listening Stories video.